I did dwell, a butcher boy I loved right well. He courted me, my life away, and now with me he will not stay. I wish in vain. I wish I was a maid again, but a maid again I ne'er will be, till apples grow on the ivy tree. I wish my baby it was born and smiling on his daddy's knee, and me, poor girl, to be dead and gone, with the long green grass growing over me. He went upstairs and the door he broke. He found her hanging by a rope. He took his knife and he cut her down, and in her pocket these words he found: go dig my grave, long, wide and deep. Place a marble stone at my head and feet, and in